Good morning. Welcome to a beautiful snowy day here in southern Wisconsin. It snowed like every day for the last 3 or 4 days, so it's still pretty because most of it goes away by the end of the day. So fantastic. Not a huge fan of snow. Don't really have a use for it personally. But it makes things look pretty. So anyway, have a 16 by 20 this morning. Got some white. We're just gonna spread it out here and see what we can do here. Hopefully you are finding some time to do something creative. Doesn't have to be painting, it can be drawing. As long as you're taking a little time for yourself to do something that relaxes you, lets you be creative. Anything other than working, unless you enjoy your work. No, that's not to say I hate my job at all. It just is what it is. Sometimes you need to do something besides running all over the place and taking care of other people. Sometimes you gotta take a little time for yourself. So that's what this is. This is you time. All right, so we've got our white on here. So I've got some navy blue. I have bright blue. I have pool blue and pale blue. And then I have some gray. So we're going to start with this and go from there. So I think I'm just going to going to do that. And it looks like I bought matte white instead of gloss white. You can see it's kind of sinking in a little bit here, so we'll see if that makes a difference today. Sure if you can hear the snowplow driving by. Live in a quieter part of town, so the snowplow doesn't come through here as quickly as other areas. So just happen to live on the same street as the pool and the park, so not much use for either of those this time of year. So they're just generally not in a huge hurry to get over here. So all right, so we've got our colors on here. What is the next step here? All right, I had to pause it there for a second because I had to decide which order I was going to do this in. And I might be sorry, but we'll see. So I have some more paint skin leaves from what I did last time. So we're just going to put them down now. And then we're going to use the hairdryer and see what we get. Oops, wrong side. Sometimes you just gotta try something new. Let's see what you get. Hopefully these don't get 100% covered up. But we will find out, won't we? I got some other, I got some other stamps, some other shapes, so it's kind of fun doing this at the moment. I don't know if anybody else enjoys it, if anybody wants to watch this, but you know, I'm enjoying it, so at the moment, that's what matters. All right, we got a bunch of blue ones on here. Let's put some few gray ones in here. And I say blue, I actually hope these are blue. Hopefully they're not purple. Oops. Well, that is what it is. All right, I think that's enough. So now we will get out the old hair dryer and see what this does. I don't know. We'll find out. guess we'll see what kind of weird mistakes I have made when this dries. I might have a little too much paint on here for it to dry properly, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll have to see if the leaves stick out, or if they, have the paint on top of them still. But anyway, it was interesting. It was fun. So that's all I can ask for. So thanks for sticking with me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy creativity, making something time. Take care. All right, I doodled around with it a bit more and put a few more leaves in here, but there's a few parts in here I really like. I really like that part. Not sure why, but I just think it looks cool. This part down here. But anyway, just added some more leaves. We'll see what it looks like when it dries.